What's up, people? This is Ahmed and you're watching Culinary Image, and boy do I have a treat for you guys today. Did you know the Americans consume almost close to 100 million pounds of chicken wings on a Sunday Super Bowl? How insane is that? 100 million? Well, guess what? That's exactly what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite recipes that I like to prepare at home. Now, I do not prefer frying my chicken wings. I like them either grilled or baked. I feel frying them gets a little bit too messy, a little bit too greasy for my taste. And personally, my kids prefer it grilled or baked as well. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'm gonna share one of my favorite recipes and let's see how it comes out. Now, the reason I keep my chicken wings in the fridge for at least 4 to 5 hours is to get rid of the moisture that's in the skin. Because once you get rid of that moisture, that's when your wings get nice and crispy in the oven. Now, first we will get rid of the tip right here, and then we will cut right through the joint. That makes it very easy to separate the flat from the drum.
Brush a little sauce on the wings and let it cook for another extra 5 minutes.
Well guys, the moment of truth is here. The wings are done. They look excellent. Let's see what they taste like. These are fantastic. Do try this recipe. Do let me know what you think of it. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the subscribe button right down there. Thank you and have a good day.